Class 5. This is the third part of the chapter The Grip of Vices. So we have completed the page number 41 and we had come to the middle portion of the page number 42. So I am starting with the third paragraph. Please listen. Children, it is important that you learn to listen to your conscience and above all try and follow whatever your conscience tells you. Each time you try to do something which is wrong, you must have realized you feel a terrible struggle within you. So what is here? At the last, I told you in the previous video that the hermit actually had tried, a man came to the hermit and the hermit gave the, when the man came to the hermit with his problems, so the man got the answers of his problems also. So the hermit told that he gave one examples, and what was the main thing? The thing was that hermit told that if you have taken the wrong way in your life, so if you realize that after some time, so it is easier for you to come back into the right way. But if you take time, so obviously it is not it will be difficult to come back, but it is not impossible. But if you take too much time to return back into your normal and proper way, so obviously if you not able to didn't you understand, so then obviously it is not possible that you cannot, that means you cannot able to reach into your normal and proper way. Okay, so here it is saying that children, it is very important to listen to your own conscience, your own inner voice, because whatever, always you try to listen to your inner voice. Each time you try to do something which is suppose like if you have done a job and if you think that it is not a proper one, so please cancel that and come back, because it is your inner voice who always tells you that what is wrong and what is right. So always listen to your inner voice. Each time you try to do something which is wrong, you must have realized you feel a terrible struggle within you. If you realize that you have done something wrong, so if you realize that, if you have the realization, if your conscience tells you that no, whatever you have done, that is wrong, so it is really very painful it will be very painful for you, because you are realizing that whatever you have done, that is wrong, but you cannot go back into your proper place. Okay, if you don't listen to your conscience, so you will never be happy. If you understand that if your conscience, your inner voice is telling that whatever you have done, that is wrong, but you if you are not rectifying yourself, so obviously it will be really very painful for you. Okay, because all the time you are struggling within you, that you know that you have done a wrong thing, but you are doing the you wanted to do the right thing, but you are not doing the right thing, you are doing the wrong thing. So the war is also, the struggle is also going within you. So it makes you hesitate. It seems like a battlefield between right and wrong. Obviously, that is why I was telling that it's always make you feel that you are in the battlefield and you are always be in the field of right and wrong. This is your conscience telling you to do the correct thing and not do the wrong thing. It helps you to conquer your pride, selfishness and greed. Our conscience, I have told you that our conscience is our best friend. Why? Because it is always showing us the right way of life. Okay, so always listen to our conscience. It obviously, why? Because it helps us to win our pride, our selfishness and obviously our greed. Once you listen to your inner voice, you are free from evil and you don't pick up bad habits. If you listen to your inner voice, if you listen to your inner voice, then you will always be happy. You don't have to be in the struggle. Understood? You don't have to be in the struggle, and you will always be very happy and satisfied. Okay, so that is the main thing. That is why you should always be always listen to your conscience, your inner voice. Now if you listen to your inner voice, you will never have the bad habits also. That is why examine yourselves daily. So when we are, if we are listening, we have to listen to your our conscience. So when we have to listen to our conscience, so at the time of, obviously daily at the time of night before going to sleep. Discover your faults at once. First you discover your faults. What are the faults are here in you? Find it out. Question that whether you can rectify that or not. Okay, and try to rectify your faults. And listen to your conscience and do the right thing, which might be tougher to you. Maybe if you listen to your conscience, maybe it will be tougher. If you if you don't listen to your conscience, maybe it will be easier for you. And maybe what can I say, that maybe you will feel like that if you go to the that wrong path, you will be happy. But if you don't listen to your conscience, you never be happy. At the point, for the time being, maybe you will be happy, maybe you will be satisfied, maybe not satisfied, you will be happy, but you will never be satisfied. Always listen to your conscience. Okay, so you will be happy as well, that satisfied. A person who goes through life without checking his actions and his motives is like a man who travels without troubling to find out if he is going in the right direction. So that means a person who goes through life without checking his actions and his motives, that means a person who goes into his life without checking anything, without examine himself, that means himself, yes. So the man is just like a man who always who does not have any direction in his life. Okay, so obviously you should listen to your conscience and follow the path, and obviously you will be happy for that. Okay, and make the right decisions by taking the help of your conscience.